What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we got a few announcements for you. For starters, I want to welcome all of our new subscribers. We gained quite a few in the last few days, so just want to welcome all of you. Hope you guys enjoy the content, and if you do, please make sure you leave a like on the videos and go and hit up that comment section below and, you know, let us know what you guys like to see. We're always open to suggestions. And then announcement number 2, me and Jixer Boy will be attending the Gentleman's Ride. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it's a charity ride for prostate cancer and suicide prevention and stuff for men. So it's a really awesome ride. It's worldwide, so it's pretty cool. And we'll obviously be doing the IE one here in Southern California. So you guys will see those videos. We're gonna record the whole thing, try and bring awareness for those that don't know anything about it, or you know, maybe some other fellow riders that would like to join in and, you know, support the cause. We're just doing our part, doing what we can. You know, if you guys would like to donate, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to donate to the cause. There's still time to register for anyone that wants to join. It's for a good cause. So you guys will be able to see those videos soon. It should be pretty cool. How it normally is, from my understanding, this will be the first year that we're attending. But from my understanding, it's more for like you know, like classics and stuff. Oh Jesus. Yeah, it's more for like classics, cafe kind of style bikes and stuff like that. So we're gonna stick out like a sore thumb, but I already talked to, you know, the guy that's putting it on in our region, and he said any and all bikers are welcome, so that's good. Hopefully there's a few more of us so we don't feel so damn awkward. But again, it's for a good cause. I don't give a shit, you know, what people really say or think that we're on sport bikes. We're here to support the cause, you know. And then also, you're supposed to dress dapper, a suit, kind of stuff like that. It's kind of like a old-fashioned style type of thing. It's pretty cool from what I've seen. Stay tuned for those videos. And again, I just want to thank you all. You guys have been so supportive. We've grown so much recently, and you know, we're so thankful for everything that you guys do, for, you know, leaving likes on the videos and leaving comments and stuff like that. You know, it really does help. It's really hard to know what people want to see, so we're doing our best. We're trying to change things up, see, you know, what you guys like, what you don't like. But if you want to make it slightly easier on us, just go ahead and leave some suggestions in the comment section below, or, you know, let us know what videos you guys like, what you don't like, so that way, you know, everybody's happy. At the end of the day, that's why we do this. We do it for you guys. We want to show you guys what you want to see. We don't give a shit what we see, you know what I mean? So yeah, just let us know. But yeah, those are the plans that we have coming up. Hopefully we can do a lot more of this year. It's just with COVID, you know, a lot of the events aren't happening and stuff, but we're gonna keep our eyes peeled and try and find more, because they are really cool. That's when, like, the community, like, really shines, when people can really see what everything's all about. Thanks, man. Get a bunch of people together, man, that all share the same passion. It's really cool. If we could get more people into it, you know, there's a lot of discrimination out there. You know, people claiming that you have to ride a certain bike to be a part of the community. That's the biggest bullshit I've ever heard in my life. It doesn't matter what you ride. I don't give a shit if you're on a Grom or a fucking Vespa. You know, we're a community. We all look out for each other. Doesn't matter what you ride. And I don't like that people say that, because it discourages people from getting on bikes, you know, like, oh, well, I'm gonna be judged because I'm on a 300 or a 250 or, you know, a Z125 or a Grom. It doesn't matter, man. Like, you know, we love everybody in this community. We respect everybody, you know, we wave to everybody. It doesn't matter what you're on. So if you are trying to get into it, don't listen to what these other dickheads say, because it doesn't matter what you ride, as long as you ride. And just remember, everybody starts somewhere, you know. Nobody, well, I mean, I can't speak for myself, but you know, most people, you know, will start on a smaller bike. You know, not everybody starts on a 600 or a 1000 or this or that. Like, a lot of people, it's actually the smarter thing to do, because you don't want all that power at your fingertips when you're not that experienced. Trust me, it's a bad day. But I will say, if you do have any kind of experience on a bike, and I'm not talking about a dirt bike, it's not the same. Yeah, I mean, it's more beneficial if you've ridden a dirt bike, because you kind of have the idea of, you know, the clutch and, you know, one down and, you know, the rest up and where you're neutral. That kind of stuff, yes. But in a general sense, a dirt bike isn't the same as, you know, a motorcycle or a sport bike. I would say if you do have experience on a bike, then maybe start on, like, you know, a sport bike like this, R6, GSX R600, something like that. Or, you know, if it's a little bit too much, you can start on a 650. They're, you know, they're more of a relaxed style kind of ride. They're very torquey. They're still a lot of fun. But that's just kind of my input. You know, we don't discourage anybody. We want anybody and everybody to, you know, join this community. Oh, I'm not gonna make this right, am I? Stay clean, stay clean. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. It feels so good to be back on my bike again. You guys will see that video here soon also. But my bike was down for a few days. She was under the knife. It was sad. Look at that dog go. Oh, I forgot about the stop sign. That was nice. Oh, the graduates. I remember that day. So long ago. Yep. We old, Jixer boy, we old. But we're just barely getting started. Getting good at them wheelies. I can't do no wheelies right now. I said, you're getting good at those wheelies. And then I said I can't do any wheelies right now. Yeah. Guys, well, that's the video for today. I know it's kind of a fairly short one. Just wanted to do a little announcement video, let you guys know what's going on and what we got planned here coming up in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. Should be pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. But yeah, till then, you guys take it easy. Peace.